Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Now let's see what we will be learning in this course. Before starting with our Django coding, we should be aware of Web Frameworks MVC concepts. Let's see that now. In generally, most of all the Web Frameworks commonly uses MVC design pattern nowadays. It means MVC stands for Model View Controller. But in our Django Web Framework, its uses slightly different from others. It uses its own convenient pattern. It uses MVT architecture. It means model view, template and URL pattern. Now let's see about each one of them. Let's see about model component. Model component defines the structure of a database table to be created and store the data in that form. It is responsible for taking some data from database and store the data in table. We will define all our models in model.py file. Now let's take a look at view component. View component takes care of executing business logic and interact with model and will gives which template to be shown when the request come in. It is responsible to get data from database using model and share it to the template to show UI. And we will write all our views in view.py file. Now let's see about template component. Template component will have the HTML code to show up in our web pages. Template is nothing but HTML files. It is responsible for presenting data to the user and getting the value data from the user. Template will hold the HTML code and when requests come in, it will show the pages to user. We will have all our HTML files under template folder in our application. Now let's take a look at URL pattern. Whenever any request comes in URL pattern, we'll decide which view should handle that request. Here where we will define the root address of our application for each view. Whenever user address our application URL, the request will come into URL pattern only. We will write all our URL patterns in view.py file. In our upcoming video, let's see how we are implementing these concepts in our video. Thank you. We'll see you in our next video.